life. Since you were a child, you were told to look up to find the stars. You were taught that the universe is a cold, empty void, suspended millions of light years above your head, untouchable and silent. But what if the greatest galaxy in existence isn't in the sky at all? What if the cosmos fell to Earth long ago, and they have been hiding right beneath our feet, waiting for us to simply look down? The light you are seeing right now is not a camera trick. It is not artificial. It is a massive, living, breathing alien world, and it is trying to speak to us. Welcome to the phenomenon of bioluminescence. To the untrained eye, it looks like magic. But the truth is far more mysterious and deeply, violently scientific. We are looking at a microscopic metropolis. In every single drop of this glowing water, there are thousands of single-celled organisms called Dinoflagellates. They are ancient. They are invisible in the light of day. But when the darkness falls and the water is agitated, they ignite. It is a biological miracle known as cold fire. Inside their microscopic bodies, a molecule called luciferin violently collides with oxygen, guided by an enzyme named luciferase. In a fraction of a millisecond, this chemical union releases pure energy.
But unlike human inventions, unlike our roaring engines and burning cities, this reaction produces absolutely zero heat. It is a perfect, flawless transfer of energy into pure, unadulterated light. It is the holy grail of efficiency, mastered by a creature without a brain, adrift in the eternal abyss. But why? Why does the ocean glow?
In the absolute sensory deprivation of the deep sea, where the sun's rays have never touched, life was forced to invent its own suns. Here, light is not just a byproduct, it is a language. It is a biological internet. They use it to scream for help, painting their predators in glowing blue to attract an even bigger monster to eat their attacker. They use it to whisper to potential mates across the freezing, crushing dark. They are speaking a language of photons, communicating in a dialect older than the very concept of humanity. And this is where the science bends into something far more profound. Look at the water, and then look at the night sky. The resemblance is not a coincidence. It is a cosmic mirror. The very elements that make up these glowing oceans, the carbon, the nitrogen, the oxygen, were forged in the nuclear furnaces of dying stars billions of years ago. When those ancient stars exploded in supernovas, they seeded the universe with the building blocks of life. The stardust drifted across the vacuum of space, coalesced into a rock called Earth, melted into oceans, and eventually evolved into these glowing organisms. Which means when you stand on this shore, you are witnessing the universe recognizing itself.
You are made of exactly the same stardust as the water at your feet.
The iron in your blood is the same iron that colors the cosmos. The calcium in your bones is the same calcium dissolved in the sea. Your eyes evolved to capture light, and the ocean evolved to create it. We stand on the edge of the world, feeling desperately alone in the vastness of space, entirely unaware that the water we came from has been mirroring the heavens since the dawn of time. We spend our entire lives staring up at the dark sky, desperately searching for a sign that we aren't alone, completely forgetting that the ocean has been blinking back at us the entire time.